CTC conducted an intercorporate rock band contest, CTC Rockers, which was won by the dynamic rock band from Shoppers Stop, Rock and Raga. Let's catch them in action.
I just met a girl and she's from Woola Moola Woola Moola Wanda. I can dance and she can sing, we can rock the whole night long. Woola Moola Woola Moola Wanda, Woola Moola Woola Moola, Woola Moola Moola Wanda, Woola Moola Woola Moola. Sing Woola Moola Woola Moola Wanda, Woola Moola Woola Moola, Woola Moola Woola Wanda, Woola Moola Woola Moola.
I would like to tell you about CTC Rockstars. It is an intercorporate band competition, we can say, and this time we had 30 contestants, and they are the winners, Rock and Raga from Shoppers Stop. So, Somini, can I request you to kindly felicitate them, and they've been really great. Somini is from, as I said, Artists Aloud, which is India's only mainstream platform, offline and online, for independent talent, providing distribution, social amplification, and talent management.
CTC basically going from what we do, it's going beyond what our normal routine is. Oh, yeah, super rocking.
And then now
We were a little bit shocked actually when we actually were like, wow, we actually did it, man, we did it. Our intention was clear. If we can thrill customers on the floor, why don't we thrill the audience when we are on top? The employees of Shoppers, they're very tight-knit. It's very difficult to get somebody to say, you know what, let's leave your job.
Moving on to our next category, the solo dance contest at CDC. We had 4 contestants in this category. Rahul Bhansali from KPMG Bangalore, Pooja Parvati from JLL Bangalore, Soumya Shukla from Snapdeal Noida, and Akshata Shanbag from Reliance Infrastructure Limited. Our first contestant is Rahul Bhansali from KPMG Bangalore. Dance is in his DNA and he learnt dance from a young age. He believes it's just an expression of feelings, a stress buster. But is he stressed about performing in the grand finale? Let's hear it from him.
Nervous. It's a good thing to become nervous. And excited a little because it's my first solo performance on stage. Before going on stage, it's like, concentrate. Chill out, enjoy the performance. It does not matter what the judge say, but if you are satisfied with it or not.
किस्मत के हर एक पन्ने पे मेरे जीते जी बाद मरने के मेरे हर एक कल हर एक लम्हे में तू लिख दे मेरा उसे हर कहानी में सारे किस्सों में दिल की दुनिया के सच्चे रिश्तों में जिंदगानी के सारे हिस्सों में तू लिख दे मेरा उसे खुदा खुदा जब बना सदा ही बना हम ये चले या रुके अब उसी के वास्ते दिल मुझे जख्म पर हक मेरा ही रहे हर जगह घड़ी हाँ अब फकत हो यही वो रहे मुझ में ही वो जुदा कहने को बिछड़े ना पर कभी
Buddy, interesting set of things that you did over there. आपका, I would say your forte in dancing is grace. जो आप graceful चीज़ें करते हैं वो आप बहुत naturally करते हैं. So I would suggest you concentrate more on that. But I really enjoyed your graceful performance in the certain sections that it came. Good luck.
मुझे लग रहा है आप तो बहुत ग्रेसफुल डांसर है, बहुत नेचुरल डांसर है. Everybody a big hand for him. He's learnt it on his own. Good luck.
Thank you so much. And can we see your scores, please, Raghav? Great. 7 and Leslie. Thank you very much.
Not performed up to my expectations. Let myself down. Though 1% here and there. Participating is not an issue. Participating, you have to participate to learn. So I would obviously participate and take it as a challenge to at least get better and better. I'm not keeping my fingers crossed because I know what's going to happen.